Elmina is not Cape Coast, although there are neighboring towns in the central region of Ghana. As someone who grew up in Cape Coast, I've always known Elmina as the best source for affordable fish. But I wanted to experience Elmina from a different perspective beyond the fish market. So I spent 24 hours exploring Elmina, starting with a stay at the Downtown Virgins Hotel, conveniently located on the highway.
Hello, welcome to Elmina. Alright, so this is on the highway to Elmina. We slept at what's the place? Downtown Virgins Hotel. I don't know what the motivation of the owner was to name the hotel by that name, but it's not bad. All right, the place is really neat and nice and with good customer service. I'll say place is on the highway to Elmina and to Cape Coast. So if you are here, you can easily get a taxi or trotro here to Elmina. It's not very far. It's like let's say a 5-minute drive from here to the Elmina township and to the castle. The place is really nice. I really like the customer service that we received here, and it comes with breakfast inclusive for 500 cedis that we paid for the night here. And action! There goes the baby!
To get the best aerial shots, I headed to Anthartsolutions, a local drone service provider, and with their help, we were able to capture some stunning footage. Next, I delved into the heart of Elmina Township to learn about the salt trade, which has been a vital part of the local economy for years.
Apart from
when exploring Elmina's salt-baking town, it is advisable to go with a guide. We were fortunate to be guided by Kofi Owusu Opabeni. Of course, no trip to Elmina would be complete without visiting the iconic castle.
First country in Ghana, the Gold Coast, this one. When the Dutch came, they were Protestants. Therefore, the Dutch removed the Catholic tower. And as you can see over the soldiers' mess, the junior ones were up.
I got a unique perspective on the history and significance of this landmark. And for just 70 Ghana cedis, we took a boat tour and learned even more from our knowledgeable guide.
Elmina people also manufacture their boots.
Yeah.
local books. So you can see at the top there, lowest arc. Some people say lowest arc. That's what they are. Yes. And when they are on the sea and they want to travel back, the only thing that directs them to the land is the flags you are seeing around. Without the flags, they cannot find their way back. This festival occurs on every first Tuesday of July, and the name is Elmina Bakatwe. Elmina Bakatwe. Okay, and every first Tuesday of July, they celebrate it here. So coming July, they'll celebrate it here. So on that day, the first Tuesday of July, you see a women in the bigger canoes with their traditional dresses and traditional drumming and singing. And they will be moving on the water. They will be going up and down on the water. It is a process of awakening the deity of the water here.
After 24 hours of discovery, I took home a lasting memory, a beautiful crafted little boat, which is a reminder of my unforgettable experience in Elmina. This whole video is sponsored by anthartsolutions here in Elmina. One beautiful thing is Anthart is solving a problem, hence the solution. When you look at this area in Amwanda, that is close to, let's say, the Elmina junction to the township, you can get drone rental services here, online payment services, and other web development and hosting services right here in Elmina. If you happen to travel to Elmina to explore like the places that we've been seeing in the video, you can come here to rent a drone to document all these. And if you have to make any online payment or have any bank service right here in Elmina, you can visit anthartsolutions to solve that problem for you.
Locate anthartsolutions on the Elmina Ankafor Prisons Road, Amwanda Junction in Nkuntrodo Township. Contact us on 053 598 1333 or on 020 498 7740. Our website is www.anthartsolutions.com. You can also send us an email on anthartsolutions@gmail.com.